Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make marinated mushrooms. If you are enjoying the video, remember to like, comment and subscribe. So how we are gonna start? Firstly, we take our blender and put inside soaked dates. We also add cold pressed oil. I will use flaxseed oil. Pure apple vinegar. Vinegar without any additives will be cloudy and not as clear as the one from the stores. Now we add some water and spices like salt, basil, a pinch of sweet pepper, some thyme, marjoram, some tumeric, a pinch of black pepper, garlic or a clove of garlic. Now just blend everything together. When our marinade is ready, just pour it into a bowl. We can start cutting our mushrooms. Cut it into really thin slices. Then throw it into the bowl. Mix the mushrooms in the marinade precisely. We can use those mushrooms as an addition to salads, sandwiches, or as an ingredient for pizzas. The links and ingredients needed for the recipe are, of course, as always, in the description below. Now we have two options. We can put our mushrooms in a dehydrator to dry, or we can put the mushrooms in the fridge. And after 4 hours, during which we have to remember to stir them from time to time, they will be ready to serve. Bon appetit!